Hello friends, welcome to The Best in You. Today's video is all about how to deal with body shaming. It is very open nowadays and it can happen to anybody. It can be about your body size, your skin color, your look, your body shape. You can experience any form of this type of a bullying. It can happen online and offline. It is very toxic and it can affect your mental health. Now, what exactly is body shaming? Body shaming is a form of bullying where a person is judged based on the way they look. No matter what your body size, your skin color, you're underweight, overweight, any kind of sarcastic comments about your appearance, your body, by not fitting with society's expectations is called body shaming. See, hearing these kind of comments regularly can be very humiliating and it can affect your self-esteem. It can also further lead to eating disorders and depression. And when you hear too much about yourself, about your body, you also start body shaming yourself too. See, no one deserves to be judged based on their appearance. So how do you deal with body shaming? See, very first part of this is to recognize that it is happening to you. So once you recognize, it is easy to overcome and deal with it. See, when you hear any kind of hurtful or sarcastic comments about your weight or the way you look, that is an obvious sign of body shaming. But there are other forms of body shaming where you are being targeted indirectly. See, there is a thin line between a person is genuinely concerned about your health and somebody is just commenting on your appearance. So you need to understand the difference if it is a body shaming or the person is really concerned about you. That could also be cyberbullying. Now these are comments and personal messages on social media. Now how to deal with body shaming? See, the very first thing you need to understand here is that nobody should be judged based on their appearance, on how they look. Nobody is perfect in this world. Everyone is unique. You only have one body and you should love yourself. See, people always find something to comment on or to say about you. But remember one thing, you cannot please everyone and you cannot live by society's expectation of being perfect. So live by your own terms, accept who you are, accept the way you are, and love your body and love yourself. You should learn to feel good about yourself. So the very first part to deal with body shaming is to learn about body positivity. And body positivity starts with accepting who you are. No matter what shape or skin you have. Doesn't matter if you are thin, fat, what your body size is. You should love your body. Be grateful for what you have and not what you are missing. And be thankful for good health. See, there is no point in being skinny with nutrient deficiency. It's always better to be in a good health no matter at what weight you are. If you feel comfortable, if you feel healthy, then that's the right body weight for you. You don't need to starve yourself to be skinny. So accept what you have and appreciate it. See, the confidence comes from within. If you feel unconscious about yourself, you are likely to convey the same to other people and become a target of body shaming. So feel confident in your own skin, the way you are. And if you really want to improve something about your body, do it only because you feel like it, not because other people want you to do it. Do it for your own health, do it for yourself, not because somebody else said it. And stop hiding. See, people who experience body shaming always tend to hide themselves from the situation and isolate themselves. See, life is too short to live this way. I mean, how can you live your life if you constantly thinking about what other people will say about you? So start loving and accepting your body. And if there are any situations that make you uncomfortable, take small and little steps and overcome it. So you have to accept your body and be proud no matter what. But you should also be able to filter those comments which are really concerning about you or your health. You will find some people genuinely concerned and make those comments. Now, those comments are not body shaming. So it is all about finding a balance. So filter those comments which are with good heart and good intention and which are actually body shaming. So you have to ask yourself, is this coming from people who really concern about you, who want the best for you, or is it just a type of a bullying? So consider taking responsibility and accountability towards yourself, because after all, it is your body and your health. So if you really want to take action, do it for yourself, not because somebody else said it. Find your balance, find what is healthy for your body. And another very important part is self-love. See, you're gonna meet many people who are going to comment directly or indirectly, and you will recognize that it is body shaming or not. You're gonna find many of these kind of people, but you have to understand that you don't want one more bully in your life, and that is you. So make sure that you love yourself. Self-love is very important. Be kind to yourself. Never ever say negative things about yourself, about your body. And never ever put yourself down. Take care of yourself, of your body, your health. Aim to be a good and healthy person, not a perfect person. Another very important thing is taking control of your social media. Social media is a huge platform filled with a lot of things. I mean, you get many more important information, you get knowledge, you can be in touch with friends and family, and sometimes cyberbullying. And if you see that body shaming comments really affecting you, it is better to cut those toxic people from your social media. See, another very important part is to respond to body shaming. Now, how can you respond to body shaming? See, understand here that it is not your responsibility to educate everybody. And see, if you don't have the energy and if you are not in the right place or right mood to respond to body shaming, then you can just leave the place and protect yourself. If you are on a social media, it is a great idea to block those kind of people who are body shaming you. So don't feel any pressure to respond if you don't want to. Another way, if you really want to respond to body shaming, is to reply with certain direct or indirect messages. You can try saying something like, I don't like to comment on negative talk about bodies. I don't like to talk negatively about bodies. You can also say that I find it very weird when people are judged based on the way they look, based on their appearance. See, the very powerful way of dealing with body shaming is to being grateful about your body. Accept who you are, be grateful, and practice talking positive about your body. See, the kinder you are towards yourself, the more resilient you will be. So learn to be kind about your body and never body shame yourself. Be proud of who you are and be grateful for what you have. See, it is all about being comfortable in your skin, being comfortable the way you are. The moment you start accepting yourself, you will see that you have that confidence within you and it will reflect. Hope you enjoyed today's video on how to deal with body shaming. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below about body shaming. And do subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this to bring out the best in you.